Have complex form fields? You can now embed YouTube, Vimeo, or Vista videos directly inside your Gravity Forms using Tooltips for Gravity Forms plugin by WPMonks. The download link for the plugin is in description. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Forms, Booster. Pick the form where you want to show a video inside the tooltip. If you are using YouTube, open the video in your browser and then click Share, Embed, and copy the full iframe code. This works with other platforms too, like Vimeo, Vista, or Bugs. Now in the form preview, click the field where you want to add the video. In the tooltip content, paste the embed code like this. Click Save. Now when someone hovers or taps the tooltip icon, the video plays right inside the form without leaving the page. Use this to explain tricky fields, onboarding steps, or even tutorials, all without breaking the user's flow. Download Tooltips for Gravity Forms using the link in the description.